In today's video, we are going to show you how to install plugins, also known as add-ons in Mozilla Firefox. This only takes a few minutes and works on both Windows and Mac, so let's begin. But the first thing that you need to do is open your Mozilla Firefox browser and make sure you are connected to the internet. On the top right corner of the browser, I want you to click the menu icon, which is going to be the three horizontal lines. Now, from here, hover down on where you can see the extensions and themes. You can also press Ctrl plus Shift plus A if you're using Windows, or Command plus Shift plus A on Mac. What will happen is you will be forwarded here. As you can see, you will be forwarded to the plugins itself. Now, if you want to search a specific plugin, all I have to do is type it here. For example, we're going to be searching for productivity, and we wanted to use this specific add-ons or plugins and click the add to Firefox. What will happen is there should be a confirmation message because some plugins may appear immediately in the toolbar while others work in the background. All right. Click on OK, click on yes. Now, if Firefox starts to feel slow, you can disable plugins at any time. All I have to do is go back again to the extensions and themes. Click extensions. You can simply toggle on and toggle off or remove it completely by clicking on the three dots icon beside it. All right. And basically, that's how you install a plugin in Mozilla Firefox. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.